In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a YouTube logo using Canva. First, open Canva and log into your account. Once you are on the home page, click Create a Design and choose Custom Size. Set the dimensions to 100 by 100 pixels to create a square canvas suitable for a logo. Then click Create New Design. When the blank canvas opens, go to the Elements tab on the left side. In the search bar, type Frames and choose a shape such as a circle or square. Click the frame to add it to your canvas and resize it if needed. Next, add an icon or image that represents your channel. Go back to the Elements tab and search for an icon related to your channel theme, such as gaming, cooking, technology, or education. Drag the icon into the frame and adjust its size and position. You can also add text to include your channel name or initials. Click the text tool on the left, add a heading, and type your channel name or letters. Adjust the font style, size, and color to match your design. To make the logo more unique, experiment with colors, shapes, or small graphics. Keep the design simple so the logo stays clear and recognizable even at small sizes. Once you are happy with your logo, click Share, then Download and choose PNG for the best quality. Your YouTube logo will then be ready to use for your channel.